So as you can see right now, we have the digital view turned on. If you want to go back to the normal view, all you need to do is swipe it like this, all right? And then pull up for your digital view. This really helps tremendously with your rear view for safety and also to see much of your blind spot. Did you just purchase the brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper and you set on your car, you go for your first drive, everything is just so amazing about the car, but you take a look at your rearview mirror and the visibility is just so small. There's so much blind spots and you just wish that you can see more from the rear. Let me show you what we can do to change that. So we have a few options. We can start looking at our side view mirrors. We can turn on our backup camera to get the wider field of view, or we can start turning our shoulders to make sure nothing is there. What if we could avoid all that and see it up here? Introducing our digital rear view e-mirror by Beatsonic USA. Let me show you how this works. For everyone who has problems seeing from their rear view mirror because it just really sucks. The window is so small back there, you just cannot see it. You can even get the larger rear view mirror that goes on top, but all you do is see more of the inside. So this really helps tremendously with your rear view for safety and also to see much of your blind spot. So this is our setup. As you can see here, this is your factory rear view mirror. It's very plain, it's very small, and you could barely see anything out of it. Whereas we got our new digital rear view e-mirror, which is much larger in size, as you can see. And it's also digital, which means that you don't always have to lose this as a rear view mirror. You can switch on the switch and it'll flip over to the actual camera that comes with our kit, and it mounts very nicely as a replacement of the centerpiece of your rear trunk where your factory camera is mounted. So this is a space for your factory camera, and this is our new camera that's going to give you that wide range of view. And what's so special about this rear camera is 60 frames per second, 1080p, combined with our digital signal with high-res image that will display on your new digital rear view e-mirror. And what's so special about this product is it also comes equipped with a dash cam. So we have our front dash cam right here. It mounts nicely onto the front windshield. It looks very factory, as you can see. Very, very factory. And this one records also at 1080p at 30 frames per second, while the rear has the option to record either at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second, depending on how much storage you want to take up from the micro SD card. To make it more convenient for you, the kit also comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card so that you'll be ready to go once the product arrives to you. And moving along, you'll find all these plug and play harnesses. There's no modification done to your factory wiring system. Everything is plug and play. And here is the harness where it's going to take your accessory and your ground from your rear trunk area. And here is another connector that's going to connect to your 12-volt battery under your front trunk. And it's gonna all come together with our plug and play harness. In addition, if you haven't noticed, it also comes with some hardware that's gonna help you keep the installation clean with some extra zip ties and also some cushion materials to prevent any rattles and some Allen wrench that's gonna help you screw on the screw that's gonna be supplied with our kit. This whole system here is just very, very high quality, guys. We use OEM level parts over here, and as you can see, everything was very well thought out. And the type of image you're gonna get from your new digital rear view mirror is gonna be very bright, very, very clear, and you won't have any issues even during the nighttime. You won't have that brightness coming from the headlights. There's gonna be that separation from that brightness to ensure that you won't lose any visibility even though there's a car behind you with its high beams on right to your vehicle. All right, so we wanted to show you a demonstration of how this looks during the nighttime. And as you can see here, we have a pretty high truck behind us with its headlights on. And as you can see, it doesn't glare, it doesn't wash out the whole whole image, and if you want to do a comparison of how it looks like this. Yeah, and it gives you much wider view, because if you put it on the factory mode, you could barely see the car, and just a little bit more. If you turn it on the digital mode, you can see. Right now we only see this much. Now we could see this much more. So it'll cover more area and even more of your blind spots, and it'll just much more than watching it from your normal rear view mirror. And just to compare how it looks, so that's the backup camera showing, and this up here is the normal view. And as a side note, the area that we're shooting this video from, it is pretty dark. There's some lights up there, but they're not that bright. So they're very, very dim lights, and there's not that much light over here. So the fact that it's able to pick up these type of details here in a pretty dark area is pretty impressive. All right, so this is a quick preview of what is to come very, very soon. Keep an eye on this, and to make sure you don't miss out, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss out once we make this official announcement, where we're gonna do a full-on installation video along with a very detailed demonstration video. Well guys, if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and thank you very much for watching and subscribing and following us. It means a lot to us, and we'll see you guys on the next video.